Do you think about a life coaching course or some different course and you don't know what to choose? In this video, I tell you how I accomplish my own exponential life coaching course. It will be my review on it, and also I will tell you 7 pieces of advice how you can choose and succeed in every course that you will choose for you to accomplish. Hello everyone, my name is Elena Brivkina, and in this video I can, for the first time in my life, share with you that I am a certified exponential life coaching. From that moment I received my but the results that I will get that certificate soon, several days ago. And I want to share with you my review on that course that I have accomplished. It's been a year that I have started that journey, and I am really excited to share that information with you. So if you're interested, keep watching until the very end, and please hit the like button. I really need your support because it was so hard journey and I am finally here on my finish line, but it is only beginning. So I have started the journey a year ago in February 2021, and back then the journey called how to get rid of extra weight, how to lose weight. And right now that journey calls how to fulfill myself with love and how to bring that love to others. This is a very important chapter in my life called Impossible is possible. Everything that you think is impossible right now for you is possible to achieve. And this chapter was fulfilled with everything. Unbelievable story how I became a member of the team of Misha Saidov. Program the method of reactive transformation. My first session with a colleague when I experienced the complete flow out of my coaching. My first client with very high level of depression. The first session with Misha in front of 160 people on our first practicum in Exponenta. And there was the most intimate coaching request for him, and I shared it with that big number of people. First sales of my coaching packages for my clients. My first retreat. Working as an executive assistant of Misha Saidov. Moving, living, studying and working in Canada. Hundreds of coaching hours. Thousands of questions for my mentor coaches, for my personal coaches and for my buddies. And actually dozens of buddies that supported me. And one more thing that I suggested to create an extra practice for our colleagues, for our team members who were in that course as well, and we wanted to meet each Sunday to practice by ourselves, and that become a very great system of practice of legend coaches. Back in April 2021, my head was full of thoughts. Alena, do you really think that at the age of 22, anyone will be interested in your coaching? 14th of January 2022, I passed my 20 minutes coaching session for the certification with a client, and then I received such a comments from my colleagues. You are the child of Indigo. Alena is the next Walsh. Your eyes like the eyes of Olympic champion. Alena, you should go to Tibet. Your place is there where lots of gurus gathered together. I know that is your place. You are such a deep, wise person. This soul doesn't have any age. If anyone a year ago would tell me, Alena, you will become the youngest certified exponential life coaching, I wouldn't believe them at all. Right now, after that course, I understand that I found the philosophy of life. Right now, I can feel that amazing feeling that everything is okay with me, everything is okay with you and with everyone. I wholeheartedly believe that everything in life happens for a purpose, and actually life happens through us. I know that is hard to understand and hard to believe, but these are the feelings that I gained during that program, and they are unbelievable. They help me to actually feel the joyful calmness during every day of my life. And for me, that ability of feeling that joyful calmness in everything is the most important result through that journey. I have found the way, door, and a key to it, and even if I forget the location of the door, my inner compass will always guide me towards the right direction. This year was about jump and the net will appear under you. During that year, I realized that the happiest person in the earth are people who have the interest for their life and they follow it. Because the curiosity and the interest, it is the one and the main power that leads us to success, to fulfillment, and to real joy in our lives. The most precious thing in Exponenta for me wasn't all the courses that we have learned, but it was that system that divides your life for before and after. All those people who have studied with me that course, who have changed their lives dramatically. These are amazing tribe. We became much closer to each other rather than we are with our families. Because we opened up, we were so transparent with every our coaching requests, life problems, and all the emotions that hold us from our happy life. We shared everything with each other, and it was the space of complete love, acceptance, and support. Everyone believes in each other. It is unbelievable community that you will find nowhere else because each person is selected to that program. So can you just imagine what powerful community is there? And that community believes in you, that you will achieve everything you want. I don't have any words to describe how grateful I am, how excited I am about that journey, that year that changed my life completely. You can only live through that. I really want that Exponenta will become number one in the bucket list of every person on the earth. Sooner or later, it just must do. I want to say thank you to Misha Saidov, to Lena Dolinskaya, to Lilia Glushenko, to Natasha Gardeyeva-Ramirez, to Natasha Hupe, to every mentor and personal coach that have supported me. I want to say thank you to everybody that have shared that experience with me, and they have supported me so much. After these 365 days, my impossible became possible for me. So I know that everything you really dream about is possible for you no matter what. So I invite you to start doing first steps today and then share with us your experience. That was my review on the Exponential course. I wholeheartedly believe that every person in their life should get acquainted with that knowledge and with that practice that I've shared over there, because even though you don't want to become a life coach, you just want to know things that were taught us over there. And that isn't about knowledge, it is about a system and community that supports you and truly brings you on the next level of your life. Right now, I want to briefly share with you my recommendations that will help you to succeed in every course that you are about to start. First of all, please, if you really want to do it with your whole heart, go and do this. There aren't such objections like time or money. Every one of us can say so, that I don't have time for this, I don't have money for this. But if you really want to do this wholeheartedly and you believe that that course will divide your lives for before and after, go and try it. We have only one life and you should use your each opportunity in life. Next one is be proactive. And from the day one, raise up your hand every Zoom meeting or offline meeting. Make mistakes. Ask questions, as many as you want. Believe me, I have asked them thousands times. Because only asking questions, you can really gain deep benefit for yourself. Number 3, being proactive, it isn't only for you, but it is also for others to notice you and invite you to some other projects and open up new opportunities for your life. Number 4, create your mastermind groups by yourself with your colleagues. Like this, you can copy some of the organizers' methods of practicing, and you can practice even more by yourselves with your peers, and that will increase your skills dramatically. Number 5, if there are meetings and lectures and some practices, please take notes, ideally electronically, so afterwards you can share them with your peers, and also they are really helpful for you to afterwards search some crucial information, and it is much helpful rather than stock everything in the written format. Believe me, I have done almost all of my notes just writing with my hand. It isn't helpful right now for me to search any kind of information and insights that I have gained before. Number 6, if it is an expert course, please go and practice with real client as fast as possible. Everyone will make mistakes. Everyone knows that it is very scary, but go and try this out. It will help you for sure. And number 7, I want you to invite to trust everything that is happening in your life, because that is the only way possible that it can happen right now. Believe me, just enjoy the journey and don't think that it could have been better or it could have been different. Just trust and enjoy the ride. Please share your next course that you are about to start in the comments below, so every one of us will gain more information about them. That isn't just a video, it is a very exceptional one for me. Thank you so much for being here with me, and please let me know, do you like it or not? And the only way I can learn this, please hit one of 2 buttons below this video. I will share the links for the Exponential Coaching Federation in the description below. Right now they have the site only in Russian, but soon they will have it in English as well, and I really recommend you to consider this as an option for your next course. Subscribe to my channel if you want to support me with this my great milestone of becoming a Certified Exponential Life Coach, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.